Hi guys, back again with a quick video. This time it's actually on Pixel devices. A lot of people have complained that the weather widget on at a glance has disappeared for many members, and this has been a recurring problem, and Google has not been able to provide a fix. There are a lot of running threads across multiple forums, a lot of videos you will find, but nothing seems to be a concrete solution. Here is another way out which has worked for me after almost 5 months of missing that widget. This is something that has worked. I did try to clear my Google Cache app, resetting the Pixel launcher, rolling back updates on Google app, and several other common fixes that you will read through. But this is something that has worked for me. It's been on my phone right now for the last 10 days, including the February security patch update as well. So currently using a Pixel 5, like I said. So quickly, how to get this done? So if the weather widget is not there, you will typically see the calendar app, which is a permanent fixture. Go to long press that, go to customization, you will end up at the home settings. Instead of clicking on the wheel lug nut on your right hand screen, tap at a glance, which will throw off a pop out menu like this. Go to customize for the weather and the travel both together. Toggle the buttons off and then on, right? So do switch it off and switch it on back again. Once you have done that, head to settings, go to personalize using app settings. This toggle will be turned off if you notice. Quickly turn it back on. Once you're done doing that, give your phone a quick reboot. Once you've done that, you will start to see that after a few seconds that the weather widget has started to work back again. I have also tried reminders. As you saw in my previous settings, everything starts to show up. This I feel is the best solution, and it has worked for me. I hope it works for you as well and all the Pixel users. Do give a thumbs up to the video if it works for you. Leave a comment behind. And that's pretty much it for today that I wanted to share. Thank you so much.